Welcome to Beautyistic, where we help you make smarter beauty choices every day. If you're after bouncy, defined curls without the hassle of clamp marks, then you're going to want to hear about this product. Today, we're talking about the Bed Head Curlipops 0.5-inch Tourmaline ceramic skinny pop styling iron, a clamp-free curling wand designed for tight, voluminous curls. It features Tourmaline ceramic technology, which means it distributes heat evenly while helping to retain your hair's natural moisture. The result? Soft, shiny curls with less heat damage. The design of this curling wand is really sleek and simple, yet effective. The barrel is ½ inch wide, perfect for creating those tight, bouncy curls. It heats up quickly, maxing out at 400 grader, which is plenty of heat to style even the most stubborn hair types. Plus, it comes with a heat protective glove for added safety, always a must when working with high temperatures. Real-world testing with this tool was surprisingly easy, and it worked really well across different hair textures. I have naturally thick, somewhat frizzy hair, and I found that it was really simple to wrap sections of hair around the barrel. The wand heats up fast, and within a few seconds, you're left with perfectly defined curls. I didn't need to use a lot of product to get them to hold either, which is always a bonus. The clamp-free design means you're not left with those annoying dents in your curls that often happen with traditional curling irons. I love that about this wand. I was able to wrap my hair around the barrel and let it go without worrying about unsightly marks. Another thing I appreciated was the consistent temperature. No hot spots or cool spots. That consistency made styling smoother and faster. Now, let's talk about the pros. First off, the design. It's lightweight, which makes it easy to use for extended styling sessions. Plus, with its universal dual voltage, it's perfect for travel, whether you're jet-setting across the world or just heading out on a weekend getaway. I also really like that it maintained an even temperature, giving my curls a polished, shiny look without the heat damage. On the flip side, the cons, one thing I noticed is that while the wand works great for tight curls, it may not be ideal for those seeking looser, beachy waves. If you prefer those kinds of styles, a larger barrel might be more up your alley. Also, though the glove is a nice touch, it can feel a little bulky when you're trying to get precise curls, especially if you're new to styling wands. In terms of value for money, I would say this is a solid investment if you're someone who styles their hair regularly. It's reasonably priced for the quality it offers, and the added features, like the heat glove and dual voltage, make it a versatile tool for any beauty enthusiast. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, there are some other curling irons out there, but they often lack the Tourmaline ceramic technology, which is a great feature for maintaining moisture and reducing heat damage. Now, I know some of you may be wondering if there are alternatives to this product, especially if the price tag feels a bit high. There are definitely cheaper options on the market, but they often don't deliver the same level of consistency and damage reduction. If you're after a high-quality tool, this one is worth considering. However, if you're on a tight budget, you might find something similar in the drugstore range, though you may sacrifice some durability and heat performance. As far as build quality and longevity, this curling wand feels really sturdy, and I'm confident it will last with regular use. The Tourmaline ceramic barrel also ensures less heat damage, which means you're less likely to see signs of wear over time, even with frequent styling. If you've had any experience with Bed Head's customer service, you'll know they have a reputation for being responsive. While I didn't need to contact them myself, it's always good to know that they have your back in case of issues. In summary, the Bed Head Curlipops 0.5-inch Tourmaline ceramic skinny pop styling iron delivers on its promise of tight, defined curls with minimal heat damage. It's easy to use, heats up fast, and has a sleek, travel-friendly design. While it may not be the best option for those who want looser curls, it's a solid tool for creating bouncy, shiny curls that last. If you're considering it, I'd say it's a good investment for anyone who curls their hair regularly and wants a product that's both effective and easy to use. If you're just getting started with curling irons, this is a great choice to learn the ropes. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.